Welcome to the channel. In this class, I am explaining about second degree general equation. Already I told in last videos about degree and order. Okay, this second degree general equation. Now, prove that the equation 3x square plus 7xy plus 2y square plus 5x plus 5y plus 2 equal to 0 represent a pair of straight lines and find the coordinates of the point of intersection. So here to find the point of intersection, one question. Another one is to represent a pair of straight lines. How we can say this is represent a pair of straight lines? What is the condition? So here we have to know, you have to prove two conditions. One is to represent pair of straight lines, another one is point of intersection. First we can show that to represent pair of straight lines, the given equation, okay, this is second degree general equation. Now what is the equation? 3x square plus 7xy plus 2y square plus 5x plus 5y plus 2 equals to 0. This is number 1. Okay. Now this second degree general equation compared with 1 can be compared with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This is number 2. Okay, compare the coefficients. Therefore a equals to 3, b equals to 2, c equals to 2. Yes, again f, y coefficient f 5 by 2, g 5 by 2, h 7 by 2. These are comes when you are done practice. Okay, so it is waste of time. 2gx equals 2g equals to 5, g is equal to 5 by 2. That is waste of time in the examinations. So you can write simply by seeing the equation. What is the value of g, value of f, value of h. So this can comes under practice. Okay, when you are done practice, this can be done as fast as possible. Please make practice. Okay, what is the condition for representing pair of lines? Condition to represent a pair of lines. What is the condition? Delta equal to or del equals to ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus H square equals to 0. ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus A square equals to 0. Whenever these are 0, that equation can be represented as a pair of lines. Okay. Okay. Now substitute the values simply. This implies ABC 3 into 2 into 2 plus 2f 5 by 2, g 5 by 2, h 7 by 2, 2fgh minus af square A f square 5 by 2 square, B g square 2 g square 5 by 2 square minus C h square 7 by 2 square. See here, 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12 plus 2 gets cancelled, 5 5 ja 25, 25 into 7, 175. These are tricks in multiplication, already I told in last classes. Divided by 4 minus 3 into 25. Yes, 5 square means nothing but 25. 75 divided by 4 minus 2 into 25. 50 by 4. 249. Yes, 98 divided by 4. These are comes under practice only. Okay. Implies what is LCM now? 4. 4 12 48 plus 175 minus 75 minus 50 minus 98. This implies add all minuses and add all pluses. What? Get 175 plus 48. Add 8 for 5. Get 13. 83. 83 plus 40. 223. Minus 75, 50, 125. 125, 98. 133, 223. Divided by 4. That is equal to 0. Therefore, del equals to 0. That's all. What is del? Del is nothing but ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BC square minus A square equal to 0. Hence, this line can be represented as a pair of lines. That's all. Okay. Now, one part is over. Now to find a intersecting point. Formula HF minus PG by AB minus H square, GH minus AF by AB minus H square. This is the formula for intersecting point of a pair of lines. General equation. Second degree general equation. HF minus BG by A minus H square, GH minus AF by A minus H square. Simply substitute the values. Okay. HF minus BG by AB minus H square equals to HF 7 by 2 into F 5 by 2 minus B 2 G. This is nothing but 5 by 2 by AB minus H square 7 by 2 whole square. Simply 7 5 ja 35 divided by 4. 2 5 ja 10 by 2 divided by 6 minus 49 by 4 equals to LCM is 4. 35 minus 20 divided by 24 minus 49 divided by 4. 4 4 gets cancelled. 35 minus 20 15 divided by 24 minus 49 minus 25 implies 5 3 ja 5 5 ja. That is first coordinate. Okay, minus 3 by 5. Okay. GH minus AF by AB minus H square. Same procedure. G 5 by 2, H 7 by 2, minus A 3 F 5 by 2 divided by AB minus H square, AB 3 2 minus 7 by 2 square equals to 5 7 ja 35 divided by 4 minus 15 by 2 divided by 6 minus 49 by 4 equals to LCM is 4, 35 minus 4 30 S, LCM is 4 by 2 2 into 15 30 divided by 4 24 minus 49 yes, LCM is 4 in denominator also. Now subtract this, 4 gets cancelled, 35 minus 30 5 divided by minus 25 minus 1 by 5. Therefore, intersecting point is minus 3 by 5 minus 1 by 5. That's all. This is intersecting point. Already you know, to represent pair of lines, that is del equal to 0, del equals to ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BC square minus H square equals to 0. That condition, whenever we have to prove that condition, that is pair of straight lines. Also this is point of intersection, intersecting point of second degree general solution. This is second degree general solution. If you want degree and order, if you want to know about order and degree clearly, please see my past videos. This is second degree general equation. Now this is intersecting point. This is HF minus BG by AB minus H square, GH minus AF by AB minus H square. This is intersecting point. So this is very important problem for intermediate public examinations and also for competitive exams like JEE, AEEE, so many. Okay? Okay dear friends, practice these problems carefully. Thanks for watching MathWeb YouTube channel. If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel MathWeb and hit on bell icons to get more information. Thank you.